Ready.
Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today, I am here today to talk about a special initiative called Career After Family, launched by my lovely friend Mrs. Kavita Agarwal. 6 months ago, when I first met her and I had gone to my first meeting at Career After Family, I was shocked to see so many women attending these awesome sessions by these very talented and experienced mentors. Today, we have completed more than a year, and there are more than 250 women all over the world who are part of this initiative. During the lockdown, when we had stopped doing any of the activities or any of the sessions, Kavita was so tech savvy and smart that she shifted the entire sessions online. And every week we had more than 2 sessions where mentors used to come and are still coming with different topics. We had sessions on parenting with millennials and compost and gardening, digital marketing, digital art, calligraphy, menopause, and lot of other useful sessions where women learn so much. One thing I would like to tell you, that if you want to learn, this is the place for you. If you want to enhance your skill, if you want to do something in your life, we have programs where there are budding entrepreneurs who are being trained on how to launch their business. During the lockdown, we had more than 10 women who launched their businesses online. I realized one thing, that as women, we always put ourselves at the bottom. We always are there for others. But that has to change. We have to get the change. So if you know someone or yourself want to be part of an initiative where you are continuously learning and you are enhancing your skills, please do come and join us. Kavita is a wonderful human being who is selfless, because these sessions are free. She's dedicated, disciplined, and that is what we are learning from her. So please do call up, and I don't know when her next batch will be, but if you feel that yes, you want to learn something and you want to do something in your life, in your career, please do join this initiative. Happy learning from Mic Drop.